Hello everyone, this is Tina from Boatman. In this video, I will introduce the remote AV icon. What's the meaning? So first, this one is the satellite. Now it's blue color, and we can read how many satellites it has received. And then this is the single strand from the remote between the remote and the boat. Now it's very strong. There is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And then this one is the sailing direction, turn left, turn right, or turn right. And then this is the unit. Unit means here. When we save the home point and then the point, we have the numbers, and it shows is 90 meters. And then B for boat. Here we can see the boat power information here, and then the R is for remote. Here we can read the remote power information here. And then here is the L is for left hopper, R is for right hopper, and here is the hook release. So when we open it, we can see the open and close. Now here is the speed, high, medium, low. Now from number 1 to number 16, here is the GPS point. You can see different GPS points here. And now this part is the navigation distance. P is for point. For example, I saved the number 1 and the number 5. Here it shows the boat is 90 meters away, far away from the number 1 point. If I move to number 5, it shows 33 meters. And then if we move it to a number in gray color, it has no distance because we haven't saved this one. And then N is for navigation. Only when we do navigation, it will show distance. So it shows only 20 meters, 90 meters away from the point 1. And the H is for home point. It means the boat is 6 meters away from the home point. And here is the boat direction. So, but you have to do the boat direction. You have to set the boat direction correctly so you can